available units. Response is 719 Ironwood Drive. Response to a possible active domestic. Have Bobby advise you're transmitting on fire frequency. 10-4.
Nothing. Alert.
Go ahead.
We checked all the phase hill and it's all close.
How about the backside? Any gongs or anything going? I mean, any drains?
Negative, we don't hear nothing in the back, so double check again. We'll actually loop back around till the on the back. Hey Nate, that one down there I think was shut. All these are open.
Yeah, these are
Open.
this one says fire.
Yeah, that one over there was closed. I think it was that, not this one, the next one. What is that? Is it shut? Alright.
Didn't actually anything over there? Go home. You know the call tomorrow.
I already talked to my supervisor.
Okay. Write it down. Once the sprinkler's on,